In this video, you'll learn how to find and replace text within your documents in Notion. This process allows you to quickly update content without manually searching through your pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently manage text changes in your Notion workspace. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. You should see the Notion homepage, which features a clean interface with options to log in or sign up if you do not have an account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once on the Notion homepage, locate the option to log in, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking this, enter your credentials if prompted. If you successfully log in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace where you can manage your pages and content. After accessing your workspace, look for an option labeled Add New Page. This is usually found in the left sidebar. Click on it to create a new page where you can practice the find and replace function. This new page will open in the main workspace area. Next, click on the blank space within your new page. This action will allow you to start typing or pasting text. After this, type in a sample paragraph that you would like to use for this demonstration. You can use any text, such as this is a sample text for testing find and replace functionality. Once you've typed your sample paragraph, copy it and paste it into the same page. This step is essential as it provides you with a base text to work with. Ensure that the pasted text appears exactly as you typed it, confirming that the paste operation was successful. Now press the Control key and the F key simultaneously, which will bring up the Find and Replace tool. A small search bar will appear, prompting you to enter the text you wish to find. This tool is essential for efficiently locating specific text within your document. Type the specific text that you want to find in the provided search field. As you type, Notion will highlight the occurrences of this text within your document, making it easy to see where changes are needed. Be aware that if you input a text that does not exist in your document, no highlights will appear. After identifying the text you want to replace, locate and click the Replace next to the search field. This button initiates the process of replacing the highlighted text with your desired new text. It is important to ensure that you have correctly identified the text before proceeding. Next, type in the text you want to replace the original text with in the designated field. This will be the new text that will replace the old text across your document. Make sure this new text is exactly how you want it to appear. Once you have entered the replacement text, click the Replace button again to execute the change. A confirmation will typically appear indicating that the text has been replaced. If there are multiple occurrences, you may need to repeat this process for each instance or choose to replace all occurrences at once, depending on your needs. Finally, click on a blank space outside of the search bar to exit the Find and Replace interface. This action will return you to your main page where you can review the changes made, ensure that the new text is correctly displayed and that the original text has been replaced as intended. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.